Yeah, hi, good morning. It's Mark Elbury here from Cape Town, Thermotrap Project. I'd just like to show you how to make Thermocrete. So this is if you want to insulate your shack, or you've got a shed or a hut. It's winter in Cape Town at the moment and it's very cold. So the idea with Thermocrete is that it's used to insulate the shack. We put the Thermocrete on the outside of the corrugated iron, either on the walls or on the roof. The best is to start with the roof. What I've done is I've mixed up some Thermocrete here. I'd like to show you if you come over here. This is your polystyrene bead, and this is what we mix into our mixture over here. I've made a mixture up here and I'm going to mix this in, and this is the bead over here. We put that in there. And so what I use here is I've got normally about a mixture of ratio wise 2 cements, 4 sand, and then about 7 or 8 polystyrene beads. As you can see, it's mixing up quite nicely here. I'll just wait for it to mix up more. And this is to make a lightweight, put some more in there. This is to make up a lightweight concrete, lightweight mix. The beauty of this is that it stops a cold bridge forming on a roof, and it insulates the shack. A little bit more water here. A lot. See how it's mixing up. And once you've got it like that, you can just carry on mixing more in, a little bit more, and put a little bit more cement in as well. That mixed in. And then basically you mix this up nicely into a consistent mix like this. Now you've got your polystyrene bead, okay, and this is recycled, so it's post-consumer. So these people that make this, they use old polystyrene and they grind it up and we get the beads, okay. And then if you come over here, I'll just show you what I'm going to do over here on the corrugated iron. Over here, I'll take this and I'll just put it out over there, and what you want to do is you want to fill it into the valleys. This is what you do. Very easy, very simple. And now what you're actually doing is you are insulating your roof. And there you go. And then that you can then skim this. Okay, you can skim that. You can skim that over your corrugated iron, and what actually happens is your Thermocrete just goes into the valleys. That can dry, and then you can skim it over with cement, and now you've insulated the roof, and that makes a massive difference. No condensation, it's warmer in winter, it's cooler in summer, and then you can paint the roof white and the walls white. Okay, and that's basically it. Thank you very much for watching.